The Bravada Atlas Yachts, designed by award-winning watercraft designer J. Invictus, are a line of super yachts tailored for freshwater lakes, known for their sleek design, luxurious amenities, and massive size. These yachts feature 5 staterooms, 2 kitchens, a fire pit, and a 15-ton water slide across 2 decks. The opulently furnished living areas include bespoke cabinets, custom seating, multiple fireplaces, and 10 flat-screen televisions. Invictus' use of curved glass sides provides a futuristic look and expansive interior views, enhancing the yacht's aesthetic appeal and offering unparalleled visual experiences from within. The Caracat 66 is the smallest model in the Caracat line of amphibious campers, designed for comfortable exploration on both land and water. At 6.6 meters long, it is compact enough to tow behind a car or truck, yet offers impressive space. The cabin includes a convertible dinette for seating, sleeping, or dining, a small but well-equipped galley, and a bathroom with a shower. A pop-up roof provides additional sleeping space. Its most unique feature is the foldable hull. Simply unfold it to transform the Caracat 66 into a fully functional catamaran. With its versatile design and comfortable accommodations, the Caracat 66 is perfect for anyone seeking the freedom of the open road and water, ideal for exploring new places and creating lasting memories. The DepartureOne XL is an innovative amphibious vehicle that functions as both a caravan and a houseboat. Manufactured by Deutsche Composite GmbH, a German company specializing in caravan and boat creations, it allows for seamless transitions between land and water travel without the need for trailers or complex procedures. Ideal for families or groups of friends, the DepartureOne XL comfortably sleeps up to 6 people. It is designed to be self-sufficient, featuring a built-in kitchen, bathroom, and water treatment system. Compact and lightweight, it can be towed by most SUVs or trucks, meeting the highest safety standards for both inland and coastal cruising. The DepartureOne XL is perfect for those seeking the freedom of the open road and the tranquility of cruising on water, whether exploring new destinations or relaxing by a lake or river. The Dreamscape Houseboat, custom designed by Dirk Marine, features a concrete hull and offers approximately 150 square meters of living space. Prioritizing comfort and functionality, these houseboats provide spacious interiors with open floor plans and multiple decks, perfect for a relaxing getaway on the Murray River without breaking the bank. Equipped with the latest technology and a top-of-the-line stereo system, Dreamscape ensures all your entertainment needs are met. For those seeking a luxurious houseboat experience, Dreamscape offers fully equipped options with amenities such as spas, barbecues, and advanced entertainment systems. The Dreamscape Houseboat combines practicality with comfort, making it an ideal choice for an unforgettable river adventure. The iconic luxury houseboat is the epitome of 5-star luxury on the water. Launched in January 2022, this stunning 2-story houseboat graces the Murray River in Moama, Australia, redefining houseboating. Iconic luxury features 6 elegant king bedrooms, each with a private ensuite, allowing guests to wake up to the gentle sounds and breathtaking sights of nature. The spacious lounge area includes a gas log fireplace for cozy evenings, and the large gourmet kitchen is perfect for preparing delicious meals. A separate cocktail bar caters to celebratory drinks. Upstairs, a magnificent sun deck offers ample space for sunbathing and enjoying the open views. For ultimate relaxation, a large heated spa on the back deck provides the perfect spot to unwind and take in the scenery. Equipped with the latest technology and a top-of-the-line stereo system, the iconic luxury houseboat ensures all your entertainment needs are met.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing